Hello friends, it's Kristie Marcotte. Queen & Company just released an adorable Halloween shaker kit. This is called Frankie Friends. So let me just show you everything that's included. There's an information sheet that shows everything that's included and also 6 different card sample ideas. And these are adorable cards. There are 18 steel dies, so you'll be able to create 7 different images. There's a mummy, an owl, a ghost, Frankenstein, a stack of pumpkins, there's a little monster, and also a bat. So lots of fun images. And since this is a shaker kit, you'll have foam and acetate pieces, and these are all pre-cut. I'm just going to pop out the bat so you can see what it looks like. So it has that outside foam frame, and you just pop out the inside piece, and that's where you'll put all of your shaker toppings. There are a total of 21 foam and acetate pieces, so you'll be able to make 3 shakers for each of the images. I'm not going to pop all of these out right now. So here's the acetate, and I'm not going to take these out either. I end up just getting a lot of glare from my lights. Next, there is a sentiment stamp set. This is 4 by 6 inches in size. Queen & Company always has such fun sentiments and great fonts. I love their sentiment stamp sets, and I'm always reaching for them since I know they'll have the perfect stamp for whatever card I'm working on. Up next, there are 7 bags of shaker toppings, and these are all Queen & Company's Princess Cut squares. Nice, bright, vivid colors that match perfectly with the paper collection. And you can always buy shaker toppings that aren't included in the kit just to add a little something extra. There is a 6x6 paper pad included in the kit. It's 24 sheets, double-sided papers, and there are 4 sheets of each design. So I'm just going to flip through this really quickly. And I know I've said this many times before, but I love Queen & Company's paper collections. There are usually only a couple designs that are specific for a holiday. Like this one has the spider webs and one of the sheets has the monsters. But all the other designs could be used for any other card theme. Now I did pick up a couple of add-ons. I love Queen & Company's outline dies. I think these are a must-have. Let me just show you the difference between the outline dies and the dies that are included in the kit. So the outline dies are on the right, the dies in the kit are on the left. I like to use the outline dies for behind the shaker. So you can see the 3 pumpkins, the one on the right's the outline die, it's just one solid piece. But if you cut out that stack of pumpkins, that frame that's included in the kit, you're going to have all those inside pieces popping out from the pumpkin, and then you'd have to piece them back together. So it's really quick and easy if you just use that outline die, and you can also cut out more acetate. The other add-on I always get are the solids. So this is a 6x6 paper pad. It just has solid colors, but they match perfectly with the pattern paper in the kit. Now this isn't cardstock, it's the same weight as pattern paper, but it has a nice assortment of colors that you could use for layering some elements or using for the back of your shaker. There's just so many options. And knowing those colors already match with the pattern paper will save you so much time searching for other brands of cardstock that might not perfectly match. Now here's just another look at Queen & Company's brand new Frankie Friends kit. I have provided links in the description box for the kit and all of the add-ons. These are affiliate links, and I will earn a small commission when you make a purchase using those links at no additional cost to you. If you're planning on shopping at the stores anyway, why not click on one of your favorite creators' links first? This is a great way to show your support. And you can also purchase refills of the foam, acetate, the paper pads, and the shaker toppings. I always like to pick up the refills, that way I have them on hand if I need to pop together another card. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope you have a wonderful day.